Okay, I've gotten a video before of cicadas' sounds. This is in Franklin. There's one that just landed on me, but I haven't actually gotten them flying around everywhere. So this is a tree in Franklin. You can kind of see them flying back and forth from tree to tree. Woo! One just flew right in my face. That does not feel good. Fortunately, they don't bite or sting. But this is an invasion. This should make World Invasion Part 2. Attack of the cicada. Anyway, Kiki likes eating them, so just thought you'd want to see them flying around.